Hello everyone. Have you ever received a WhatsApp message that left you feeling threatened or intimidated? Maybe someone is attempting to blackmail you, demanding money or other favors to keep something private. It's an awful experience, but you should know you're not alone. Blackmail on WhatsApp occurs more frequently than most people realize. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for up-to-date information on sextortion and online threats. We offer over 50 hours of valuable content designed to help you prevent these crimes and protect yourself. How do these criminals operate? Let's start with how blackmailers usually work. They often build trust before exploiting something personal, such as a private photo or message. Once they have leverage, they threaten to expose it to your friends, family, or even publicly online. The most important rule: never give in to their demands. Blackmail is illegal, and you do have options. Begin by securing your WhatsApp account. Adjust your privacy settings so that unwanted contacts cannot easily reach you. Turn on two-step verification for stronger security. Never share your verification code with anyone. Doing so could allow them to hijack your account. Be cautious about clicking on unknown links or downloading suspicious files, as they may contain malware designed to compromise your phone. How to report blackmail on WhatsApp. Now, let's talk about reporting. WhatsApp has a built-in feature to report blackmail directly. Open the chat with the offender, tap their name or profile photo at the top, scroll down, and select Report. Choose the appropriate reason, such as blackmail or harassment, and include any details that may support your case. Then tap Submit to send your report to WhatsApp. How can Blackmail.HelpLine assist? Sometimes, however, reporting through WhatsApp isn't enough. That's where the Blackmail Helpline steps in. Our expert analysts specialize in uncovering online blackmailers. Using advanced tools such as IP tracking and social engineering methods, we identify criminals who try to hide behind anonymity. We even work with payment platforms like Western Union and MoneyGram to cut through false identities and international barriers. Conclusion: if you are being blackmailed on WhatsApp or any other platform, remember, you don't have to face it alone. Adjust your settings, report the offender, and reach out for professional help. The Blackmail Helpline team is ready to investigate and support you. Call the Blackmail Helpline today at 888-634-1535 or visit blackmailhelpline.com. We are available 24/7. Stay informed, take precautions, and protect your family online. Subscribe now and stay one step ahead of online threats. Thank you for watching.
Helpful links and resources. To learn more, visit our website at blackmailhelpline.com. The link is in the description below. Feel free to leave a comment with your questions or call us directly at 888-634-1535. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you'd like us to cover more cases like this. See you in the next video.